Hello friends, welcome to SRS by tutorial. I am Samaranjan. Today we will discuss about disaccharides. Disaccharide consists of two monosaccharide units. They joined together by glycosidic bond. The glycosidic bond is formed between the hemiacetal group of one monosaccharide with hydroxyl group of another monosaccharide. The dehydration reaction established the glycosidic bond between these two monosaccharides. In disaccharide, the glycosidic bond is formed between two monosaccharide when the hemiacetal group of one monosaccharide condenses with the hydroxyl group of another molecule. During this reaction, a molecule of water is eliminated. I took an example, that is formation of maltose from alpha glucopyranose and beta glucopyranose. The hemiacetal group of alpha glucopyranose condensed with hydroxyl group of beta glucopyranose and form a glycosidic bond between them. The hydrolysis reaction breaks the glycosidic bond and produces alpha glucopyranose and beta glucopyranose. The example of disaccharides includes lactose, maltose, sucrose and trehalose. Lactose is a reducing disaccharide consists of beta D-galactopyranose joined to beta D-glucopyranose by beta 1,4-glycosidic bond. The glycosidic bond links first carbon of galactose with the fourth carbon of glucose molecule. Lactose naturally occurs in the milk of mammals. It is synthesized in the alveolar epithelium of lactating mammary glands. Properties of lactose: it is hard, crystalline, and less soluble in water. Its melting point is about 203 degrees Celsius. It has reducing properties due to presence of free aldehyde group on first carbon of glucose unit. It shows mutarotation, that is continuous conversion of alpha form to beta form. It is hydrolyzed to glucose and galactose by enzyme lactase and galactosidase. Next disaccharide is maltose. It is a reducing disaccharide which consists of two units of alpha D glucopyranose linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. It exists in both alpha and beta forms. It is produced by enzymatic hydrolysis of starch. It is also formed during starch digestion by alpha amylase of salivary and pancreatic juice. It is also formed in the germinating cereals by enzyme diastase. Properties of maltose: it is hard, crystalline and less sweet. It has reducing properties due to presence of free aldehyde group of first carbon of second glucose. It shows mutarotation. Its digestion produces two molecules of D-glucose by hydrolysis. The next example of disaccharide is sucrose. It is a non-reducing disaccharide. It consists of alpha D glucopyranose and beta D fructofuranose. They are joined by a alpha 1,2 glycosidic linkage. The glycosidic bond links first carbon of glucose with the second carbon of fructose molecule. It is also called invert sugar. It is found in plants like sugarcane, beet, carrot, pineapple, sweet potato and also found in honey. Properties of sucrose. It is white, crystalline solid in nature. It is sweeter than glucose, maltose and lactose. Its melting point is about 160 to 180 degree Celsius. It does not exhibit mutarotation. It is hydrolyzed into glucose and fructose by sucrase or by hydrolysis of dilute acid. It is also used to cure edema. Another example of disaccharide is trehalose. It is a non-reducing disaccharide. It consists of two units of alpha-D glucopyranose. They joined by an alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkage. The glycosidic bond is formed between first carbon of both the glucose molecules. It is also called trematose or mycose. It is the major source of insect hemolymph. It is naturally occurred in yeast, fungi, honey and lobster. It is also found in seaweeds. Properties of trehalose. It is white, crystalline solid in nature. Its melting point is about 210 degree to 220 degree Celsius. It does not exhibit mutarotation. It is hydrolyzed into two molecules of glucose by enzyme trehalase. It is stable in acidic condition and high temperature. It has high water retention capacity.